the day. It's the day we're leaving. Literally, I'm getting ready. So we are at the market.
Girl, you might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I be here beside you, anything I got you. You know play. All you do is shut down the runway. Looking dangerous like a gunplay. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this series, it's going to be called Tyra Goes to Ghana. Tyra is my oldest. She went to Ghana for a month over the summer, and she just gave me her clips and approved for me to put them on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys like these videos. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's the day. It's the day we're leaving. Literally, I'm getting ready for the airport right now. This is my outfit. This set is from Aerie. If you're a girl with big tatas, definitely recommend Aerie for all of your sports bra needs. It's really cute. And then this is they don't come together, they're separate, but like I just got it from Aerie. And then this is just from American Eagle. So, and I'm gonna tie it up so it looks all cute and whatever. And I'm gonna take my bonnet off and put that in my carry-on. It's kind of hot, so I don't feel like putting that on right now. But yeah, I'm all ready. I'm really excited. I'm really freaking excited because this is gonna be so fun, but I'm also really nervous. I'm really nervous. I keep like laughing because I'm just so nervous, and I don't know, I feel like if I stop laughing, I'm gonna start crying. So it's better to do one than the other, I assume. But yeah, so yeah, our flight leaves at 9:30, and my mom thinks that we're gonna leave a little bit earlier than she anticipated to go to the airport because it is supposed to rain, and she doesn't want to be stuck going to Newark Airport in the rain. But one thing about where I live, I'm really close to Newark, so I'm not that stressed about it. Yeah, I'm just stuffing my, oh, I have to lay it down anyway because I have to take out my Apple Watch charger and put that in here too. I'm so nervous because this is like the first time that I'm not going somewhere that I know that I'll be staying with like my family. So I'm a little nervous about this. A little nervous. But it's okay. Everything will be alright. Everything will be a-okay. My carry-on is packed. I have extra clothes. I'm gonna take this off when I get there. Clearly, because it's gonna be way too hot to keep it on. But I'm gonna take it off when I get there because I don't want to be burning up, but I also don't want to be cold on the plane, so I'm not risking it right now. I have my shoes. I'm gonna wear my Crocs. I'm gonna wear my Crocs because I bought them to be worn. I'm really excited, so I'm gonna wear those to the airport. I'm gonna fit this in somewhere. I really hope this is not overweight. Do carry-ons have a weight limit? Because if so, there is a chance that this is overweight. A very small chance, but a chance nonetheless. But yeah, super excited. I keep saying that because I'm excited. I'm nervous too. More so excited. Okay, so I think I'm all done. I just have to put, actually, I remembered my face sunscreen last minute, so I have to put that in my suitcase, and they just put the suitcase in the car. They're gonna be so mad, but whatever, it's fine. Anyway, I'm gonna go now, but I'm so ready.
Checked in.
Why are you using a fake voice?
Is that fake?
It sounded like it.
Got checked in. Are you recording? You stopped.
No, I'm recording.
Oh, and we're just waiting for our food at the amusement people. They don't have side views. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. They don't have fries or like any side orders, and they say they have chips. They didn't have my apple juice. They say they have chips. What does that mean? I don't know. I'm gonna see it. I think it's the Chick-fil-A because Chick-fil-A has like a little. That's waffle fries though. Yeah, but it's still chips.
This is what we literally paid $16 for just now, because we're hungry. And these are
It doesn't say record on it. It's recording now.
so once you record outside, we're finally taking off. How do you? Oh, there it is. We're finally taking off. They sat somebody in between us, but they moved him, so we're just sitting here by ourselves now, which we're happy as hell about. But we're finally taking off. I'm so excited. Okay, here, record outside. The same thing. I got chicken, the fudge thing, salad, and then I guess butter for your bread and cheese and crackers, and then the chicken. I don't know how this is gonna taste.
Apple juice, water. You said dessert? Yeah.
So I got the same thing. I got chicken, the fudge thing, salad, and then I guess butter for your bread and cheese and crackers, and then the chicken. I don't know how this is gonna taste. I'm scared. But yeah, and then I got Sprite and water. I don't know how this is gonna taste. I'm scared. Can't even see it that well. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. Right here. I don't want them to think I'm a I'm a heavy now. I only tried the rice.
Rice is my favorite. Really?
Hmm?
So you try the rice. Yeah.
So tired. And we got pancakes, a croissant, bread, and a fruit cup that I'm not gonna eat because I hate fruit cups. But we're gonna try the pancakes because oh god, it has jelly on it. Oh, I love it. Forever. It's 6:27. It's all in this way. It's dark. Lights looking at no, I'm talking about the camera. Look this way. It's 6:27 in the morning. In the morning. In the morning.
No, in the nighttime.
I don't know. Didn't we go through a time change? Anyway, it's 6:27 in the morning. I did not sleep, and she slept the entire time. I was very uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable. I'm still uncomfortable. My hips hurt. Oh, we just got breakfast. I think I recorded that. What else is there to say?
I know I don't like this burn.
Sun. Girl, did you see the sun when it was coming up? The sun. It could have just been in my imagination. I don't remember at this point. Oh yeah, look. It was so pretty. It was so pretty.
That is Ghana, yeah. Well, I think that's Kumasi. That's where we're passing. So we're currently here. Oh well, it was showing the part of Ghana we're passing, and we were playing Uno, but we're putting it away because we're getting ready to leave. That's the part of Ghana we're passing. just a little bit on here. So we just got off our other plane. We had to book it to make it to this thing where we're in like a bus thing on the tarmac. Chocho, we're in Chocho. In the bus. I guess you're gonna go to the plane, but we had to book it to make it to this one. Yeah. And like it was a mess because they had my ticket, but they didn't have her ticket. It was at the other. It's like the it was by gate, the boarding gate. But it was a lot. But anyway, yeah, I think we got first class because the other people got off the plane that are still waiting in line. No, I hope all of our bags made it to the plane. Yeah. That's my biggest thing. Okay. So after how many hours of that traveling? 15, 18 hours. After hours and hours. So I don't pay. Traveling.
Welcome to your school. I'm back to your Why do I bet to your pa?
We finally got here.
Inti ko chamia, kamele card in the man.
Finally at the airport because it took a while because they couldn't find her bag. But they located it finally. So now we're leaving the airport.
Hi. Camera one. Oh, look at them. Why no? I'm talking. I'm not gonna damage. Doctor.
Oh wow!
University of US.
Oh,
Or Canada.
no, your mom by US. No, because on your US education, between their baby. Yeah.
But also, my papa were both. Chinese papa move a man. The US pass. It's either say US or Canada. They move back. Mommy, I can say my stay US. US, yeah. Very soon. You have to do your money. Far.
US here.
Yeah. So, Washington.
Yeah. You know, even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Loving you madly. Girl, you might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I be here beside you, anything I got you. You no play. All you do is shut down the runway. Looking dangerous like a gunplay. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo.
I think my camera does have a scratch. I think I scratched it. Yeah, I put it in there without closing this. That's why. But we're now. I don't know where we are, but in a car still.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is 9.
Oh, like something.
Okay, exactly.
So,
9:06.
so say hello to my mother because she's the one who's editing this.
Hi, Miss Nikki. Auntie Nikki. Auntie Nikki.
But we just walked around her house. The lizards here, I'm sorry, the lizards in Jamaica are not this big. The lizards
They're not big.
Dorian, they were fat. Look how, already look skinny.
That means they eat a lot.
Yeah, exactly. Who do they eat? Humans. Like I said, they're big. That's why I don't like sleeping near the window because I get scared they're gonna come inside.
Lizards eat humans.
They did in Parent Trap. Anyway, bless you.
Thank you.
Anyway, oh look what her mother gave me. Dorian, come hold the curtain, or hold it up. It's a wrap, and it's purple. Yeah, and I love it. But it's hot. It's already hot, and it's 9 o'clock in the morning. What's the temperature?
I'm not hot if we're keeping that honest.
I know.
I'm not. I mean, it's too American for this.
Nonsense. Not even Jamaica heat is this hot.
It's 82 degrees.
Already at 9 o'clock in the morning. Nonsense.
Yeah.
It's hot. We're going to
tomorrow.
What are we doing? Oh, we're going to the market today.
Today's market day, so it should be interesting.
And then what's market day?
When everybody goes to the market, so they have days where they have they will have I guess you could say discounts. Yeah.
So yeah,
There'll be a lot of people there.
and that's where we're going
Yeah.
today. We need to shower.
Yeah. We don't. We don't have shoes. Thank you.
To shower?
Yeah, she didn't get the sponge. That's what I'm waiting for her.
Oh, okay. So we need to get shoes. That's why we have to go to the market. You see this? My face is all dry. Look at this. My lips are dry. Every part of me is dry. Oh, my camera needs a charge. I didn't change the battery. But we just got dressed. Just got ready. Oh, I wanted to make a TikTok. I was getting dressed, but I forgot. Tomorrow.
Yes. Dedi manisini keke.
There's obviously a language barrier on my part, but
In my part as well.
you speak the language.
I don't.
Nonsense. Anyway, there's a language barrier, but I have my translator. We've been waiting on her cousin for about 3 hours.
Yes.
3
Supposed
hours?
to be 11.
And in this time, we've done everything we could think of at this point. And so, we're just waiting on her cousin. Look at outside. I think it's supposed to rain. It looks like, yes.
So we are at the market. Julian is too scared to record, so we're recording. We're just walking through the market. She just said to me, I'm party from New Jersey.
Huh?
New Jersey. New Jersey.
So you say, well, I'm going to try out.
Party. Butter.
Oh, no, you sound like German. Do it.
Butter. Okay. They all. Oh, thank you. She said we're pretty. So we're at the market. Wait, just here. How do I turn it around?
Turn around how?
To us.
Flip the camera?
Oh. We're here. Oh, we're here. And we're just looking around. People ask us to record her. People asking to record them, so that's kind of weird.
It's just not really good.
Yeah.
People love being recorded.
Yeah, so we're just recording. Okay. Bye now. Okay. You want to still record or no?
You could turn it off around.
So I went to go fix my nails. The girl does really good nails.
Yeah,
I just
these
don't
are
know
not.
why she
We can have the music on.
I really just wanted something short so I can actually eat food with it. Word of advice: don't ever do long nails.
When you're going on vacation to your country, that you know
Yeah.
that you need to
Because
use your
then
hand
I
for
can't-
food.
Yeah.
Because what type of nonsense is that?
Yeah.
But everyone keeps saying I'm beautiful.
No, and it's making me so mad. Let's be honest. And the thing is, they will speak English to her, but say it in my language for me to have to translate to her, which makes no sense.
I think people. There's this one lady at the nail shop that kept just speaking her language to me, and I kept telling her I don't speak that thing, and then she kept saying I reminded her of somebody.
She kept saying that she told us.
But look here.
Oh.
Yeah, because you can't look at that because it looks like you're looking up.
You look like we're cross-sided.
Yeah.
But yeah. We're in my brother's friend's car.
Yeah, we don't know what the hell we're doing.
Yeah, we're just waiting.
We were with Jennifer.
And Jennifer left us
We have to
again.
proper introduce him to Jennifer when
Yeah.
we get back. And then now we're just sitting in his friend's car.
Waiting.
Oh. I mean, I say that.
I don't think we are.
Okay, I don't know if we are.
I don't think we are.
But anyway, show them around.
Oh, this is where we are.
We don't know where we are.
We don't know where we are. Next week to bring us some more bug spray because
sunscreen.
Because
we bought a lot,
but just to be sure.
But I don't think we were smart because we bought 2 of each for 2 people. Me for a month and then her for cheapness.
Right.
But yeah. That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Let me record for my little TikTok vlog.
It's hot.
It's really hot
already. So yeah, we went to the market. Well, we talked about it. We didn't record a lot of it, but she was scared to record
because I listen.
Like when I was recording, the lady said, "Oh, record me too. I want to be in it." Like she was scared to record. So I didn't want to.
You need to hold the thing straight. I didn't want to like be nobody's business. I don't want to explain what this is. Explain what it is.
Oh, this is a moto. It's rice balls. This is soup. It's palm soup with fish, goat, and snail. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm recording her trying it.
Yes, you should. I don't think you need to dictate. Okay. Can you make sure it's actually on you?
It's on you.
The way you were holding it before it wasn't.
It's on you.
I think it's like her goat.
It's like what? Curry goat? Really?
You know how curry goat when the goat is fresh. Wait. Don't open it yet.
Oh.
Who is it?
My uncle.
What uncle? Okay. And the point should actually be that I went to STEM. That's why I have to send sometimes. I can't see me. Why can't you see me now?
Okay. Why is it on my phone, my teeth?
Because I needed an extra elevation. Anyway, you wanted to do this video with me. Can you act like it? That's what you could eat nothing. You want to consider the original? Yes.
Yeah, like video could do any day,
Mama. My mudimoko.
Yeah.
Hey,
What?
me for fashion can't exactly. I'm not pretty exactly.
Maybe different than me, so maybe different.
Bisane.
This on it.
Me bro from net the mean to make.
Do you like fish?
Oh no.
No.
Oh.
Do you like fish?
No.
No, Missy Bisana.
Ah, do you like fish?
How is it? Is it fried?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some say watch one.
Yeah.
Ah, what's the name?
What you say? Johnny.
What?
She goes. Oh, isn't it fun? She goes. Oh, ask her for me. And you asked her. She's like, and when she asked you asked her this Friday, she said, yeah, she has a nursing test. Oh, you think I don't understand English? I'm like, you just said, oh my God, my first grade. Oh my God.
Come take a picture. It's slippery though. It's raining. So, but it's not like American rain. Just brings cool weather. American rain just brings heat.
No, I should be back to America.
Mhm.
I hope it rains if you get there.
This is Rebecca. Yeah, I changed it. It's Rebecca. That's all that matters. Business.
He's a boy.
And that's why I said it's his business, and his name is still Rebecca. Rebecca, do you want to see yourself?
You okay?
Rebecca, look. Look, you see yourself? You see yourself?
Your nose looks like mine. Look. Oh, sorry. It's very confusing.
I want to put her on a leash. I'm not gonna do it. Do you hear that? Are they preaching?
People are playing.
That doesn't sound like playing.
What?
Anyway, you feel that wind?
It's cold.
You're ungrateful. This thing is choking me.
It's cold. It's cold.
Excuse me. Anyway,
See the clouds moving?
no. Oh, I do.
The rain's gonna start.
Certain things, yeah. But like even with KFC, they have different things.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because they have different things and it tastes so much better. Like you know how here at home the KFC is salty.
here.
Yeah, it's disgusting. Don't eat it.
I heard that they had rats and you could eat it. I don't know if it was a lie, but somebody said, are you recording?
Huh?
It's just a video. It's just a video.
Okay. Well, I want to put my phone up there because this give us both the best angle, but. What is it? Tell the camera.
Fighting.
Darren, tell them what we ate because I forgot to record.
We ate by the gizzard and fish.
This is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
By
What's the gizzard called?
gizzard.
What's it called?
Gizzard.
It's just called gizzard?
Yes.
Y'all are boring. Make up a language for it. And then
That's
we
the
had
name of it
fish.
in English.
I know. I want your language name.
Gizzards.
That's
The
boring.
O's.
Anyway, and then fish. These
Thank
people.
you.
I don't believe you.
Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share the video. Have a great one.